The second new technology I chose is Chinese Inflow. Chinese Inflow is free for everyone to learn Chinese. Chinese Inflow provides audio recording together with the Chinese characters for learners to match the pinyin and the meaning in English. Another good point of this is that you can adjust the combination of how you would like to test yourself in the setting. You can choose to show the pinyin and listen to the audio, then match it with the English meanings. This can easily be done in the setting interface. When choosing the pinyin and meaning, the incorrect ones you attempt will disappear to help you. I choose this website for all level Chinese language students to practice vocabulary. Students can choose their suitable levels accordingly. Teachers can also use materials on this website in classroom. It is a good website to test students' vocabulary. Next, I will show you how to use this website. Here you can choose characters. Then we will choose a level. Here has a HSK 1 till 5. We can choose a level 1. Okay, because we choose the characters. So here we'll show the characters. You will choose the pinyin and the English meaning to match it. You'll see if I choose a Roman, it will disappear. So we can change to show the English meaning. Okay, same thing, we choose the level. You see here, it shows the English here. We need to choose the characters and the pinyin here. If it's not correct, it will be gone. Okay, so next we will choose characters to practice. Okay, first we need to choose a level 1. We can hear the 是. So it is the characters, the pinyin, and the to be is here. Choose. Next one is 小. It's small. It's this one. Okay, next one. That's a 很. This one I will choose a wrong one, so it will be gone. So I will choose English this time. I choose a level. It's the next level. You see the pinyin shows here. 菜, that's a food. So here is the characters and the pinyin here. 在, this is the characters and pinyin here. 他 is this one, he or him. Okay. 七, this one, this time I will choose the wrong one, so it will go. This is the correct one. Okay. This one. Okay. Yeah, here is how to use Chinese Inflow. It is a very good website. I suggest to all Chinese students they can use this website to practice their vocabulary, especially for the HSK test. HSK, that means 汉语水平考试, the Chinese level test. Okay, this is a really good website.